Pudim de Chocolate. Chocolate pudding. A dessert from Brazil. Serves 4. You will need 5 ingredients. Step 1. In a small bowl, lightly beat egg whites and set aside. In a large bowl, combine 2/3 cup cocoa and cornstarch. Whisk 3/4 cup milk into cocoa mixture until completely smooth. Step 2. In a large heavy saucepan, combine remaining milk, sugar and salt. Mix well. Bring to a boil over high heat, whisking constantly. Remove pan from heat. Step 3. Whisk cocoa mixture into hot milk mixture. Bring to a boil over high heat, whisking constantly. Remove pan from heat. Step 4. Whisk cocoa mixture into hot milk mixture. Bring to a boil over medium-high heat, boil for 2 minutes, whisking constantly. Remove pan from heat. Step 5. Gradually whisk 1 cup of hot cocoa mixture into the egg whites. Pour mixture back into pan over medium-low heat for 2 minutes, whisking constantly. Do not boil. Remove pan from heat. CountryReports, culture, countries, travel.